Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Jailbreaking Android Auto can void warranties and violate your device terms of service. It also increases the risk of software instability and unexpected system failures while driving. Modifying core apps can create security vulnerabilities that expose personal data and precise location to attackers. Insurance claims may be denied after software modification-related crashes or theft. Car manufacturers and app developers may block devices that show tampering. Consider legal and safe alternatives. Use Android Auto developer settings for testing without circumventing built-in protections. Choose Android Auto certified apps and install official updates to maintain compatibility and safety. Adjust phone settings and use compatible launchers to customize the interface within permitted limits. Consider using third-party apps that are explicitly Android Auto compatible rather than altering system code. Back up your device before making any changes and keep app permissions minimal to reduce risk. Relying on supported features preserves warranty and keeps vehicle safety systems intact. Review your device warranty and manufacturer guidance before considering any software changes. Contact official support or reputable forums for approved customization tips and troubleshooting advice. Enable full backups and strong security measures to protect data if you adjust settings or install new apps. Monitor official Android Auto release notes and app changelogs for new features you can use legally. If you need specialized functionality, seek professional services that provide supported integrations for vehicles and devices.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.